Would you like some tuna? I got some tuna for you. Here, get it. Ooh, you like it? Hi. What's this? This? Ooh, you like it. I knew tuna would do it. You didn't like the bread. Hey, baby. Would you like more? There you go. You're welcome. You gonna eat all my tuna? Would you like to come take it out of the can? Would you? Yeah, I think you're a little leery. That's okay. I could throw you some. A little piece. I can't believe how close. This is awesome. I'm gonna sit right here. Okay? I'm gonna throw you another piece here. There you go. Another one. Tuna. Another one. You're pretty. Another one. Pretty bird. Thanks for visiting me today. You're sweet. Another piece? Here you go. You're cool. Ready for another one? A little piece? Pretty bird. No, Ellie. I'm feeding a bird here. Hi. You're getting really close. Here. I don't want you to peck me. You're pretty. Ooh. Ready? Another piece? It's good stuff. I can't believe you wouldn't eat bread. Ooh, big one. You ready for some more? Here you go. Pretty bird. Thanks for visiting me today. That's it.